about purchasing a condo in Atlanta, congratulations to you and wanting to be in one of the best cities in America. So one of the benefits of owning a condo in Atlanta is, number one, you don't have a yard. You don't have to mow nobody's lawn. You don't have to pick up any leaves. You don't have to do any of that with the common areas of a condo. So let's talk about it. One of the many things people love about owning a condo is that you have a pool, you have pool tables, a dog park if you have pets. You don't have to share parking spaces with other people. You have your own parking space. If you like to work out, you have your own gym. Another great benefit is that you have your personal concierge service. Someone that can pick up your mail when you're at work or out and about running errands. If you're a type of person that loves privacy, you want to live in a high profile type of area, that's the great benefits of owning a condo in Atlanta.